Oh, master. Ouch. Ha. Parking in the middle of the highway. You want to hurt me? Hey, don't stop. Oh no. Ouch. Hey, how can you park anywhere? Wow, it seems that parking at will is really dangerous. I have to be careful. Luckily, I was prepared for this. But when the driver behind faced the sudden stop and seemed a bit helpless. You've stopped here, oh. Are you talking about me? Look, you're blocking the road. Can't you see who's blocking the road? Who did you provoke to block the road? I stop here all the time. I don't see any traffic here. I'll stop wherever I want. What's it to you? Is this a place you can park? I just parked. So what? Hey, I think this is still a car. That's how it is. Such a wide road. When you're out and about, if you can't get through, we must learn to put ourselves in others' shoes. There's such a wide parking space. Hey, ignore how others just don't convenience. I hope you had the taxi driver in the middle of the road as a lesson. I really question remember it in the future. Today, I'll teach you a lesson. The sanitation worker just left. To leave without a trace, hiding achievements and fame. And in the following video, someone was caught off guard. Oh, crying to really the heavens, defeated by you people who pay you recklessly. Crying to the earth, like you're deliberately looking for trouble. Watch out. We've got the wide road. Why did you suddenly shoot at me? Yo, again, you're attacking in front of me. It seems I have to eliminate this menace today. The river flows eastward. Ah. The stars in the sky form the Big Dipper, wah. Hey, form the Big Dipper, wah. Life and death need a bowl of wine, wah. Let's go, wah. I have it, you have it, everyone has it, ah. Hey, everyone has it, wah. Don't look back in water or fire, wah. When you see injustice, roar, wah. When it's time to act, just do it, ah. Energetically break through Kyushu, wah. Act when the day comes, ah. Energetically break through Kyushu, ah. Sharing every year. It's the snowy day in the South City. Welcome to watch everyone. Want to see the snow scene in Northeast? Ah. Come on, be in place. The snow is in place too. Haha, everything snow wind is all duck tongue. Can you recognize it yourself? Each one looks like a Teletubby. Look at those two big suns. Wow, so many people. What are they doing? Of course, you're going home from school. It's just that the wind is too strong. Can't even stand. Your car is frozen like this. How to drive home? What do we do in this situation? Of course, go home alive. Brothers, let's go. Go where? We're here to take the bus. Not to push the bus. It's too cold. Then I'll just fall on the train. I'm going to Auntie's cold noodles. You're a bit disrespectful. No spice, please. Come. Hey, do you want to come? Pull? Come. I feel like I'm about to do the split. Come on. Ouch. Slippery. Booyah. You're so slippery. What to do? Hey, I've been spinning around here for ages. Not moving at all. If I'd known, I would have bought the snow chains recommended by Xianji. Those snow chains might be made for cars like ours. Who says do you have any more? I'm going to buy two. Isn't there supposed to be Quattro? It's not just a matter of flooring it. Leave the rest to Quattro. This isn't working either. Huh? You think Quattro is a panacea? In a situation like mine, even Quattro wouldn't help. Oh my god. Oh no, this is bad. What's going on? Would it work on a sunny day? Get out. Get out. Oh. It's just that it's snowing, right? It's not as exaggerated as you guys say. Not good. Oh no. What's going on here? With hexagon snowflakes. This is really scary. I hope my friends share this video. Be careful not to end up in the ditch. The road is too slippery on snowy days. Ouch, ha ha ha. Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to Car Driving Master. One episode a day. Take you to see all kinds of driving experts on the road. And the strange and fresh things that have just happened. Let you gain experience in driving. Let's go. Drive more safely. Don't forget to like, comment, and share after watching. Let more people learn lessons and gain experience. Pay attention to the big Car Driving Master together. He turned on his left turn signal. He wants to make a U-turn at this intersection. Then there are vehicles parked in the right lane. When he makes the U-turn, he ends up hitting the vehicles on the right. The car on the right is really unlucky. But the big semi-trailer should be responsible, right? You're driving a big semi-trailer, and it seems your experience and skill are still insufficient. What's more interesting is, this intersection isn't the only one. Look, the car owner also, after turning left, there's another vehicle ahead that also had an accident. This intersection is not ordinary. No matter which intersection, everyone must be careful when driving. The second car owner said that they were driving normally. As a result, a Mercedes-Benz from the left lane changed lanes and crashed into them. Our car owner didn't have any unpleasantness with him. What's more interesting is, the other car owner came down and said, "It seems like early. We changed lanes and hit him. Isn't that funny?" I suspect the other car owner was a bit tired from driving. He doesn't even know what's going on. Third, let's take a look. Watch out for a car on the right front. He merged in. Actually, there was still a distance. If the car owner had braked earlier, there shouldn't have been a problem. But now that they've collided, the responsibility should still lie with the other party. Fourth, pay attention, the car on the right seems to be changing lanes, without even using the turn signal. Constantly on the line, squeezing our car owner. Our car owner doesn't want to let him. Our car owner is definitely not at fault, right? We're driving normally. Whether or not to yield depends entirely on the mood. If we were to collide now, it would definitely be his fault for changing lanes. But I still hope everyone tries their best to avoid accidents. The fewer, the better. Sometimes you should still yield. Fifth one. There's a big truck ahead. Then the white Volkswagen in front is about to overtake him from the right. As a result, there's a car in front of the truck waiting to turn around. What's going on? Then the truck is going to change lanes. There's a piece of metal in front, but he didn't signal hitting my car. As a result, this white Volkswagen was a daily occurrence in his blind spot. No one is involved. In fact, if only the dragon signal earlier, not you three when driving, you're afraid of saying attention to the arrow markings on the road. In welcome, our lane is for going straight and what are you looking at? Hey, Ming, Ming, watch out. Pay attention. After the car owner comes over, watch my There's a car changing lanes to the left. I'm so annoyed. He came over. It all depends on my car's lanes. Continuously what happened? How did this kill me? Oh my God! How can my husband change cars? Since you want to turn right from here, my mom is not. Then you should have moved to the rightmost lane earlier. Right? I'm quickly leaving this dangerous place. Do you want to turn off the engine into our lane? He didn't yield to us. Who do you think is at fault here? Hey, he came in like this here. Do you think he should have yielded to us? What's going on? Or should we have let him go at the 8th intersection ahead? It hit me. Now, we have a green light starting normally and going straight through this intersection. I'm collapsing. And pay attention. How much money did you put in? The car on the left changed lanes. How much money did you put in? And take a hit from me. The other party is fully responsible. Ouch. We're in the straight ahead lane. Do meow. It should be the straight ahead lane under the overpass. Instead of the one on the right. Again, let's take a look at the last one and see what's going on. Pay attention to the front right. There's a small car. Welcome the sunrise. Carrying a lot of cargo. Then an electric bike comes out fill the river. To avoid it, as a result, he turned the steering wheel sharply. The sparks. The car flipped over on blows away. In this situation, you can only blame yourself for the operational error. Save the departure year after year. Autumn wind la la la. Madara. Your parents won't be spared. It spreads all the way. Let's take a look inside this tunnel. If this situation occurs, it's quite dangerous. Look, there aren't any cars in this tunnel now, but there's a curve ahead. At this moment, you might think the road ahead is clear. Too late at this point. When you get this situation is very dangerous. There's a situation I estimate that many car owners are going to crash. Look at this one again, this white Volkswagen. Pay attention. We're going straight. Then he wants to change lanes. Blah blah
As a
blah.
result,
Our car owner didn't let him.
This is a typical
Then
case
he started
of road
to get
rage.
angry.
I just
Then
don't
this scene
understand
happened.
what he's so angry
Pay
about.
attention. Our driver was driving normally. His lane change was wrong in the first place. And now he's rear-ended him. This rear end wasn't intentional. He started backing up because he suddenly slammed on the brakes. It seems this driver still won't give up. Look, it's best not to drive with this kind of mentality. Everyone, pay attention to the front left. There was an accident involving some vehicles. Let's proceed slowly at this time. The driver might have been watching the commotion. As a result, another car came and rear-ended the car. This is quite unlucky. We have also talked about this before. There's an accident on the road. We better not watch the fun. There's a clear lane on the side. Let's quickly go to the upcoming intersection. Pay attention, everyone. An old man is sitting on a chair right in the middle of the intersection. What's the meaning of this? He's really treating this like his living room. I guess the old man is waiting for someone to come along. I hope this person doesn't show up. His position is right in the blind spot of the A-pillar when turning left. This situation is really dangerous. The guy in front when the green light flashes, this really makes me another look. You think the car owner starts moving through. Go this way. Then he suddenly brakes. Then a small electric bicycle comes from the opposite side. Doggo thing. He's coming the wrong way. Almost ran over the dog. He went directly in front of our car. If there was a person here, what's the meaning of this? Then it would be even more dangerous. We didn't provoke him. So when the green light at the intersection is flashing, young people are really arrogant. Don't rush forward following the car in front. After an outing comes up the car in front, those who wants to change lanes look at this vehicle ahead. This lane change, driving on highway, everyone pay attention. Deliberately squeeze over after it turns left. At this moment, drifts over car owner also has no reason to yield to him. But it was a close call. Everyone don't drive too fast. Rainy day.